everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick here, and today we're going to talk about yarn pegs. When I first started crocheting again, I couldn't understand why people were making these pegs. They're really clothespins, and you wrap your yarn around them, but I didn't understand the point. And then after I started making more projects, especially Afghans, I realized how important it is that you have colors that go well together, and the order that those colors are laid out in your project is important as well. So that's where your yarn pegs come in. You can put colors together and decide if they, go well together or not, or what order they look nice in. So that's why we have yarn pegs. Now, I think that most people who do any yarn activity, eventually they find a particular brand that they like the best. And for me, it's slowly becoming this Premier Basics. I love this yarn. It's really squishy, thick yarn. I don't know, I just love it. They have lots and lots of colors, which I also like a lot. So I decided I think I'll make some Premier Basics yarn pegs because that seems to be the type of yarn that I will probably be doing most of my Afghans with. So I got these ones made, and I thought I'd show you how I make them. There's probably lots of videos where other people are making their yarn pegs, so I'm not sure that I do mine too much different from anyone else, but it's something that you can watch and see. So let me move these ones out of the way. This color combination really is not a very nice one, but that just happened to be what I grabbed. Okay, so I've got my clip and I've got my end. Another nice thing about this Premier Basic is it's almost always got the end sticking out for you. Always got that easy start, which I love, 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 love. Hate the yarn vomit. So what I do is I just clip that end right in here where it's nice and tight. And then I take this huge needle. Most people probably don't have a needle this big. I actually have some that are bigger, but I use them for weaving. I use them on my loom. So that's why I have this huge needle. I think it's actually maybe for upholstery. But anyway, I found it at Walmart and I thought that's perfect for weaving, so I grabbed it. Anyway, so what I do is I put my needle right on my clip, and then I start to wrap my yarn, being careful not to pinch it because we don't want to lose the end that's already clipped in there. But I just start to weave, or I've got weaving on the brain. I just start to wrap it around, kind of snug. And then I go up the other way. I'm gonna need some more, let's tuck some more of that out. And I go back up the other way. And then I go down again. I just, I give it a few layers really of the yarn. And then I'm going to go back up one more time because then I'm going to thread my needle. So I'm going to clip it off. And then this needle is so long I'm going to have to push it down a little bit. So then I go up to the top of my needle and I wrap my yarn over that needle, and then I pull down nice and snug on it and pinch it with my thumb and forefinger and pull it off. And then it has this nice little ridge here, and I just wiggle that through the eye, the needle, and then I just pull it through. I like to pull it down nice and tight just to make sure it's not going anywhere. I clip off the end. And then I write down what the color is. So this is Basics, and the name of this color is Royal Blue. So I'm just going to write down Basics, and please forgive my handwriting. It's a little tricky to write on these clips. So I have Basics, and this is Royal Blue. So I'm going to write down Royal Blue. And on the back side, I'm going to put the number of the color. So we've got 1, 1, 5. Oh, that 5 looks more like an S. -2, 2. Writing on these is a little hard. Oh, I think I missed a 1. 1, 1, 1, 5. All of the basics seem to start with that 1, 1, 1, 5. I'm sure it's a code in the company. Maybe all of the Premier Basics, maybe they all start with 1, 1, 1, 5. I don't know. I don't work there. So that's really it. That's all there is to making these clips. But it is really neat that you can, you know, line up your colors and move them around. You know, what looks good. You know, maybe you're working on colors like this and you can't decide whether you like the crepe or the Aran. You know, it's a nice way to decide on your colorway. So I'm going to get back to making more of my pegs. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this is helpful to you. Maybe you'll be making your own pegs one of these days. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day, everybody.